Just reason with me.
Leave me alone, my brothers will soon be here. They won't spare you.
What will they do to me? They are now my in-laws.
Lie down, lie down.
Someone is disturbing her.
This time, I will not spare the person, I will kill the person.
Stop disturbing me. My brothers will be here soon. They will separate your head from your body.
Stop! So you're here to separate my head from my body because of your sister?
No, sir. We are just here to give our sister's hand for you in marriage.
Only the hands? What about the rest of the body parts?
That is what we are saying. You take it all.
Why?
Because we just need a man of God. I mean, a man of God in the native way, just to marry her. Very fine boy. 6 packs. Superb.
But brother,
You must go with him, marry him.
Someone should escort me, please.
I can't believe I let him go with my sister. Me too. Okay, let's not finish him. We beat him. We break his leg. We beat him.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, keep visiting our channel and keep watching our videos.